Hello fellow Plastaholics, and be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. This time we bring you the brand new Airfix 172nd Messerschmitt Me410A -1 -U2 and U4. This is a brand new tooling from Airfix that was brought just before Telford, and let's go what is inside the box. So here we go. Let's open the box nicely. And we have created one plastic with loads of sprue bags with loads of sprues, and the instructions. Let's put this away for now. Instructions away for now. And we're gonna need our trustworthy knife to open it. So we have the sprue with the clear parts, and our sprues. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprues. So let's look into detail to all of them. Starting with the first sprue. First sprue is the wings, where you have all these details: bottom wing, top wings, normal configuration, recessed rivets, which it's good, panel lines, not too big and not too deep, so the perfect combination for the scale. More recessed rivets here. Oops. In here we have more recessed rivets, and here a load more as well. Hope you guys can see it nicely. See? So again, crispy details, not a huge amount of excess sprue, if any at all. And one thing I like about Airfix nowadays is that you have the sprue letter on here. So one good thing that they've done, and I thoroughly enjoy that. So yeah, sprue number 2. We have one side of the fuselage, and we have the cockpit interior, which I believe this is all part of the cockpit. Wheels molded in 2 parts. So you have rear part, front part, and then you have the alignments here for it. I'm assuming this is bombs, the machine guns, and there you go. A little bit of oversprue there, but nothing too significant for the size of the part. Looks absolutely amazing. So sprue A is this one. Let me put on the right way around. So we have what I believe to be the cockpit interior, wheels, bombs, and nose, or the nacelle for the wing, and one side of the fuselage. Sprue C, we have the other side and 2 propellers and the other nacelle for the wing. We have the stabilizers. Oh, interesting this one. So from what I can see, but we'll have time to check that on the instructions, I think you can have them on open position or closed position, so you just need to choose which one do you want, and then on the other side add the remaining part and Bobby's your uncle. So yeah, looks, but we'll double check on the instructions. Again, sprue C, this one, the other side of the fuselage, and the nacelle for the wings, for the motors. So far looking good, look promising. I quite like it. So I believe we have more guns on here. Sprue F now. Oops. And yeah, we have these parts here, and they are perfectly molded. This one here as well, so there's not overflow plastic on it, so that's good. I believe this will be a machine gun where you have the barrel there. Looking really good. Looks good. And then we move on to Sprue E. Sprue E, we have the exhausts, the flaps for the wings and whatnot. So I'm assuming this will be for assembling the propellers, the propeller nose cone, the exhausts here, looking very promising. Looking very promising. The way they've displayed the parts on the sprues look very good. Then we are on to Sprue D. Sprue D, you have the landing gears, the rear wheel, I believe, and we have more parts. So I think this will be the wing weights, more barrels for guns, I would assume so, antenna, one would assume, and these little parts, I don't know what they are. I'm assuming this will be the chairs for the cockpit, and this is more interior cockpit parts. So again, I'm assuming because I haven't checked any of it yet, and I haven't seen the instructions, so I haven't seen any unboxing videos on the internet as well to see what they're on about, but we'll see how it goes. Now let's open this, and ouch! Right, this is the part I hate the most. When you have this type of canopies where you have two halves to fit together, it always dreads me, it fills me with fear. But one good thing I like about it is that they done the central part and then the sides go to attach into here, so it's not half, so you have something to guide you to for the side ones. So looks good. Here, not entirely sure if this should be scratched or not, but I don't think so. But yeah, this one is not, but this one is. So a little bit of mishap from the QC in India, but nothing too major. It's a bit frustrating, but it is what it is. It's polishable. It's not a huge thing. We can polish this easily with polisher, so I don't see the problem. So instructions wise, we have the paint schemes on here. We have the instructions, and we have the decals. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit so that we can see the instructions fully. So again, new type instructions from Airfix, where with colors and indicates you where to paint, decals where to go. The call out paints now come with a brush, which is absolutely perfect for the new beginners and even for myself, because sometimes I have trouble locating these kind of things. I know it's silly, but it's me. Then you have the wings, and then you have the option for folding landing gear or open landing gear. So you have to choose how you want to do it. You're gonna do folding landing gear, you have to apply pieces D28 and D27, I believe. Open A19, A21, and there you go. So yeah, you have all these parts to fit the interior. Interior is fairly detailed for a 1/72 scale, and looking forward to it. I'm absolutely looking forward to it. Looks like extremely great airplane to build. So interior, we have this bit here not to glue, so I don't know what it does. Does it do something nice on here? Well, we'll see. We will see. So I would assume this would be rotational, not entirely sure. Oh, might have the guns on there. So now you have the option, open flaps, close flaps, as you wish. Same thing on here like we saw. So we have the closed flaps here, we have the open flaps there, and then you choose how you want to build it. So by this time, let me know in the comments how you would like to see this build, if open or closed. That would be greatly appreciated. So now you have machine guns is optional. You can have this one or this one. So version A, you can have these guns. Version B, you just have a big ass gun on the front. And yeah, again, moving on forward, just looks absolutely detailed and very good. We have the wing weights, like we said that we have. So, oh, there you go. Yeah. So you can only glue this part, so this can be rotational. It's amazing. So we have the guns that are rotational on the side, which is really good. And there we go. We end up with a very good model. One would assume so. So as I said, on the canopy, you have this central part, and then the side parts. We have a guide. So we have a guide for the bottom, which will attach to the airplane, and on the top that will attach on there. So it's not that bad. So it's not as bad as previous models that I had, where canopies were split in the middle and then you have to join the two halves together, which never goes right. Never ever goes right. And there we go. This is a fully assembled kit. Then we have the decals. Decals look really good. I believe they are Cartograph, or are they Airfix? So I believe they will be Cartograph Airfix decals. You have the nose cone spinners on there. They look absolutely perfect. Not the carrier film is not in excess, so you can see on the A and on the V that is cut down, so it's not in excess. It's perfect amount and goes absolutely perfect. So let's hope that they go good. Then you have the paint scheme. So paint scheme A will be for the Messerschmitt Me410A M40. Oh well, I'm really sorry, my English is abandoning me. Bear with me, recovering. So version A is for the Messerschmitt Me410A-1 U2 from Norway, 1945. It's not soft edge, it's straight edge camo on here, so a good challenge. We have some mottling, the bottom normal color. The Messerschmitt 41A version B from 1944 is the U4, and we have a lot more mottling to do. So I'm not sure which one should I do, A or B, but again, let me know, guys. I would be interested to know what you guys want me to be building. But yeah, this is, in a nutshell, this is what we have. So reviewing what we have here, we have a paint scheme, decals, and instructions, new stand instructions from Airfix. We have clear sprue, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plastic sprues. Again, very crispy detail, very well molded, looks absolutely stunning from what I can see so far. How is it gonna go together? That's a whole different story. We're gonna find it together as I build it, and I'll keep you posted on my notifications, and I'll let you know any issues I have assembling. First glance, looks an absolutely perfect model, very fair value to the price. with loads of details and loads of options. So hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoy this review. I'll be building this soon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what options do you like me to build, A or B. And if you don't want to miss it, like and subscribe as usual. And thank you ever so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.